Most of the impact that I feel that I provide to the kids is seeing something different than maybe what they saw before. STEM, the acronym, itself is actually saying that you're taking all of the different components that the kids are learning and showing them how they all interrelate. One of the benefits of teaching geometry along with STEM is being able to bridge that gap, to really have something that's tangible that they can manipulate or figure out, okay, why would I need to learn this?
Well, we have a very hands-on program, so we focus on experiential learning. And anytime kids can apply what they're learning in the classroom and go put it out in the greenhouse or in the raised beds or the community garden that we have here on campus, it's a benefit to them. The Lakewood FFA kids have a chance to take the projects that they learn in class and they can actually show them at the fair. They can do their public speaking, they can talk about what they've learned. And so everything that we do here, all the kids can exhibit it someplace else. And my whole thing is that students should have a love for science and nature and animals, and that we use animals and agriculture to teach science in our community.
What's nice about this program is that it hits a diversified amount of users. And so I have kids that are very savvy with reading and writing, but I also have kids that are really savvy with using their hands and thinking spatially. And this builds both. And so my goal, as always, is to get kids to see something different that they didn't see before.
And that's what I like to teach kids.